Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you are fine. I am also fine. So viewers, and you're doing well. So in this video, I'm gonna show different paper art for frame, paper art for family, for kids, and etc. You can see it is very beautiful and stylish. Paper decoration ideas, paper wall decoration ideas, stone art, rocks art, and etc. You can make different home decoration ideas for rocks, and you can decorate your home for different paper art decoration ideas. You can decorate your garden, you can decorate your home, and etc. You can see it is very unique and stylish paper decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. So please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, and share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And you can see its color is very beautiful and unique and very classy. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.